Everyone, welcome to the next new video in the series in which we are making notes app. And in this video we will recap and summarize that what we have achieved at this point in time. So initially we have make the notes app with in-memory array list and complete all the features, and we have done through the MVVM architecture with repository pattern. First, in the first stage we have defined the array list in our view models and complete the functionality. After completing the functionality, we move the array list to our repository. Then after that we have integrated Room library in our app to store data locally in local DB, and then we migrate our project to clean architecture to make it a scalable like project. Yes, we know that this nodes app not going to be very scalable in future, but this is a playground for us to understand that how we can migrate our project to clean architecture. Then we migrate our project from MVVM to MVI, and MVVM it is model view model, and MVI is model view intent. So with little variation to MVVM it becomes the MVI, but after these variations it is very helpful to understand that what are the possible actions which are coming from the UI and what are the possible events which we are sending to the UI for further operations like navigation to next train, toast or something else. And in future our direction would be to automation test. We will write the automation test of the whole app, which includes unit test, integration test and end-to-end test. So this is the whole purpose of the video, is to understand what we have accomplished at this point in time and what is our direction for the future. So this is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.